when you have an issue like me and then it scratches your stuff, broke off, pry this out with a knife or something. I'm just using a knife. Here we go. Just pry this out. Screw. There's more screws. Take them out. Okay. After you take all the screws out, this should just come off like this. Here we go. Here is my problem. See? Broken. There is one right there that's plastic. It's very weak. So that's what happened. And my handle is falling off. The way you fix it, cheap, free, whatever, I'll show you. So with few washers, it should work. Because if you don't do this, you're gonna have to order this whole thing. And that's over $100. So let's see. So I will reinforce this one. Put the washer. And just screw it in slowly. So now that's reinforced with steel. That plastic is very weak behind it. And we'll do same thing here. See the hole? That's big hole. Same thing here. Washer. Let's see now. Now we put it back, hold it, and we come from the other side and we screw the screws in. So now we're going back with the screws. And the screws are easy to put in because they hold the frame, the outside. That's what they hold on. That's about it. Put another one here. Sorry, with one hand. Oh, wrong hole. Should be that one. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll put the trim back. You make sure those two holes, this latches come through the holes, you snap it on. All nicely back on. Now we close it and no more problems solved with two washers. Didn't have to buy a new part, which is over $100 and some online.